Hello, sir. Mega love shout out to you. How are you, sir? This is my support. I am. Okay. Thank you very much. Vijaya, thank you very much. But I'll make this one blue. Thank you very much. Because I want everything in blue. Thank you very much, Vijaya, for your support. On. Sorry, I'm just editing my video. Let me just finish this editing and then I'll be with you. I'll pin all your thing there. Laps! Mega love shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you very much for coming po, ma'am, ha. Salamat po sa inyong support. Two days kasi ako hindi nag-live, so I'm just mag-live lang tayo ng panandalian while nag-edit kasi ako ng video ko for upload. So samahan nyo ako while I'm editing. Okay, thank you very much, Perina. Because in the past, okay, I'll tell you this. I'll tell you my story. Okay, I'll leave this editing for now because I wanted because the reason I was not or I didn't do live stream for the past couple of days is because on when I did my screencast that time. After I ride, so I ride in the morning. After I ride, I take shower. Then after taking a shower, that's where I really had feeling not good. So I was just lying in bed and this and that. So I told myself, now instead of going live streams, I will just do screencast. So I did screencast, and then so I slept early around 11 p.m. Well, that's early for me at 11. So I slept 11 and then wake up again quarter to 4 and then ride again. When I wake up the following day, I was feeling better. So that's why I ride again. And then after I ride, I took shower again and then I felt I started to feel, something is wrong. So that's why I didn't do. So this morning I didn't I wake up having a bad headache. So I thought when I ride, if I ride my bike, my headache will be gone. But it's the other way around. It became worse. Then after ride, I took shower. After I took a shower, now I'm feeling a lot better. than this morning. Usually when I wake up having a bad headache, it will go through the whole day. I'm still having a headache, but it's not as bad like in the morning. Dami ko sinasabi, no? Hi, brother. It was nice seeing you. Thank you. Hi, brother. Good afternoon, brother. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you, Nitha. Nitha, mega love shout out to you. Thank you very much for visiting, for coming over. Let's spin. Brother, TQ, TQ. Thank you, thank you. Finish your lunch, brother. Because I'm doing fasting. I'm doing intermittent fasting. So I had my breakfast already. And then because I changed my eating time, so I'll eat my last meal should be before 4 p.m. here. Yeah. No, but I'm feeling a lot better now, compared to yesterday and day before. Kabsat, walang ganap dyan sa inyo, walang weekend walang masahe ng weekend. Because I'm doing intermittent fasting, which is 16-8. I'll fast for 16 hours and then 8 hours eating period, but I don't really eat for 8 within 8 hours. So sometimes 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours. So right now, my last meal should be before 4 p.m. So I had my eggs in the morning. I had my ano kinain ko? I had egg and sausages and coffee. Do you eat oranges? Yeah, I eat oranges, but because of the diet that I am doing now, anything sweet I can't. Bananas, apples, oranges. I can only eat avocados and a little berries, and there. I cannot eat. I can't eat starches like potatoes, carrots, because right now I'm on a high protein and less carb diet, so more on meat. Fasting and exercise a bit extreme. No, actually it's good. They say that you should exercise, you should do your physical activity during your fasting, not during your eating period. That's what the expert says. I've been doing it for the last 1 year. It's almost, I've been doing it for the last 1 year. Yeah. Because I'm not doing high intensity workout anyway. So I'm just doing like normal. It's like normal physical activities, just riding. I don't, because I always listen to my body. So if my body says, like earlier morning, I was supposed to do 30 kilometers, but since I wasn't feeling well, so I finished up with 22 kilometers. So I always listen to my body because I don't want to feel miserable when I'm doing my exercise or my physical activity. Because for me, it's your weight loss journey should be fun. Not you shouldn't be miserable when you're doing a weight loss journey, because if you while doing it and becoming miserable, there's no point. Yeah. Sir Pao, naka-on isa ko account kaso di pa ako makalike. Di ko naayos laptop gamit ng isa. Okay lang. Okay, no problem po. No problem. No problem. There. Yeah. Maybe that's what happened to me when this past couple of days. Now I did rest for some time. I let my heart rate goes down first before I took shower. Yeah, and before taking a shower, I ate first because in last few days, because of my fasting time, I didn't eat, then I took shower. Now I ate first. I had my I had my food, I had my coffee, and then I had my electrolyte. Then I took a shower. Yeah, because I don't want to do things for the sake of doing it. It should have a valid or a very good reason for me to do it. Otherwise, why do it? Because see, my what I call this, uh, my mantra is like, there's no point of being miserable now and be dead tomorrow. Right? That's why you should always be happy every day, because you'll never know, maybe tomorrow you'll not wake up and your last day, the last day of your life is miserable. So I don't want that to happen. That's why exercising for me should not, I shouldn't be miserable. So if I'm feeling a bit miserable, or I felt like it's not fun anymore, I stop. I always listen to my body. And sometimes I listen to my body more than my brain. Because I always tell myself, like, why pushing it now? There's always tomorrow. Because weight loss is, this is a marathon. This will not happen overnight. You need to have a lot of patience uh, on your weight loss journey, because sometimes you need to give what your body needs. And I don't deprive myself of anything. Me not eating rice, me not eating sweets, me not eating what was not supposed to eat, it's my own choice. If sometimes I like donuts, so I ate donuts. So once in a while, so my cravings, I satisfy my cravings once in a while. So that I will not be, what do you call this, like craving for it so much. But you need to have a little, like a lot of control. Because otherwise, especially in sugar is very addictive. So if you don't control yourself with sugar, you'll be addicted to sugar again. I'll be addicted to sugar again. Ano yan?